There's one thing my husband said years ago that I've never forgotten. It happened the first time I visited his family. We had barely arrived when his sister asked if I could come help in the kitchen. I instinctively started to get up. Before I even made it out of my chair, my husband spoke, calmly, without hesitation. "Not today. She's our guest. There'll be plenty of time for that another day." I still felt the urge to stand up, out of habit, because so many of us are raised to be accommodating, to make ourselves useful, to give before anyone even asks. As I hesitated, he leaned over and quietly said something I've carried with me ever since. "Don't wear yourself out trying to earn people's love. Just be yourself. And that's already enough." I never forgot those words, because in a world that often teaches women to prove their worth, work harder for acceptance, and constantly do more for others, he reminded me of something I desperately needed to hear. I didn't have to earn my place. I didn't have to perform, impress, or become someone else to be welcomed. I was allowed to simply be myself, and that was enough. More than enough. Years have passed, but I still think about that moment. Not because it was dramatic, not because it changed everything overnight, but because genuine love has a way of giving you something rare: the freedom to stop proving yourself, the freedom to relax, the freedom to belong without conditions. And once someone makes you feel that way, you never forget it.